This literature kit on Flush by Carl Hyacin presents well-organized and easy-to-use materials, saving prep time. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put yourself into the shoes of the protagonist to determine how it feels to have a parent in jail for trying to help others. Predict what will happen to Noah's dad after he escapes from jail. Describe the pollution the characters witness while visiting Thunder Beach. Explain the repercussions for Noah and Abbey when they were caught out at night. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating an alternate ending to the novel by answering what-if questions. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a literature analysis of the problem, key events, resolution, lessons, and themes. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.